Hello, I'm Mike, and this is HSA, which is the product I'd like to talk to you about today because it's one of my favourite products. That's because when I first joined Technibond and was doing the product testing, I would always know that Technibond was the product that would outperform any of the competitive products, whatever we did to it. HSA stands for high shear acrylic, so it's an acrylic adhesive on a PE foam. We use a particularly strong PE foam because it's our highest spec product, and when we say high shear acrylic, that's a bit of an understatement. It's a massively high shear acrylic, highest in our range, and we don't know another product that has got higher shear than this. So high shear acrylic. This is HSA in its standard product, standard form. We do it in some other forms, which I'll tell you about in a moment. By high performance, it's a product that works across a massive temperature range, down to -40, up to about 90 degrees. Actually, the adhesive itself will go up to probably about 150. PE foams are always limited on temperature by the actual foam, but that means that at 80 or 90 degrees, this product has still got a huge amount of performance in hand, whereas a lot of acrylics at that temperature, the adhesive is pretty much on its last legs. And that's not so with HSA. And it's a product that best withstands plasticizers, solvents. In fact, in the lab, when we clean test panels after we've used HSA, we soak them overnight in some pretty strong solvent, because that's the only way to loosen it. So high strength, high resistance to solvents and plasticizers, and high resistance to weathering. It's our best product for outdoor performance, best product against UV and weathering. When we do accelerated testing with this product, invariably we will destroy the material it's stuck to before there's any effect on the tape. So this is HSA in its commonest form, standard 1mm white foam. We also do it as a 2mm product, exactly the same, 2mm thick foam. We can give you advice as to which is the best for your application. And we do the product in black as well as white. So there's 4 basic versions. Classically, we put HSA as a standard on a very tough film liner. That's a clear film liner, but we can also do it in yellow or blue. It's the same thing, that's really just customer preference, as with everything. The one thing about the black product, I would sort of encourage people to look at black. I personally always recommend black because it gives a clean line. Even if you're putting it on white materials, the black gives a nice sort of clear appearance, clean line. So have a look at that. And that's HSA. It's a product that we're really proud of.